Right, Dave's now going to take the door panel off and the speaker assembly off and remove the original mirrors. We took screws out of that, Dave, it just unclips.
Just unclips.
Yeah, that I just unclips.
Unclips.
Yeah. Yeah, pull that apart. And then we can
T27 Torx.
take those bolts out. And take the plug out for the electric mirrors. That's it. And off comes the mirror. That's the existing mirror, the original mirror, off. You do not have to remove the door panel to change these mirrors. Right, we've got the mirror off, and now we're going to simply install the new mirror. There's 3 locating bolts. Dave's just locating the bolts in the existing holes, no drillings needed. Wrestling with it a bit there. Yeah, we got that in, so pretty much the bolts have come through the other side, and Dave just spins the bolts on, and there you go, all installed. Dave's just tightening up the 10mm bolts. The final one is just down the bottom there, that you just touch it up with a spanner, and in she goes. Nice and tight. Once that's done, you just refit the plug and all the electric mirrors and everything else will work as normal. Alright, I'll pop the speaker back on. As you see, it did have to cut the top of these bolts off because they might just touch some of the connections on the back of the speaker. If we reconnect the speaker, it's all a little bit fiddly. Clip it back, and there you go, all fitted. We do not have to touch the panel, so it literally is 5 minutes, no exaggeration, and then you have a mirror fitted, extendable, perfect for towing. Couldn't be easier. I don't know if this is videoing or not.